Good morning, welcome back to the channel. Today, me and Luke's got 3 mulch jobs we're trying to get done today. We've got mulch, we've got plants, we've got 55 feet of edging that needs to be installed. And in order for us to have a good chance of getting this completed today, we should have started about an hour ago. All right, so we're at our first job here, and today at this one we got to do mulch. We got to refresh all the mulch beds, and then on top of that, there's some plants that's died. At this particular property, these condos were built. Well, there's terrible soil in here. It's a lot of field dirt, a lot of gravel, and so these cubas have not taken well in this soil. So we're gonna try out these auto-lucan laurels. Her neighbors got some, so we're gonna try them out. Maybe they do a little bit better in poor soil conditions, so that's what we're gonna put down in here. And then we got 55 feet of edging to go out front because the guy who mows her grass keeps running into her beds. So she wanted some type of edging. She didn't want a metal edging, something affordable. So we went with a rubber edging, and so we're gonna put that in, put mulch down, put these plants in, and then on to the next job.
Hey, I wanted to record this.
All right, so
am I recording?
Yeah, you're recording. Yes, ma'am. All right, Luke. So we gotta replace. We're taking that one out. She's gonna keep it, but we're putting one of these cherry laurels in there. All these are dead cherry laurels. So we're gonna go 3 here. And she actually wanted 6, but she told me 5. So we're gonna do 5, and we'll come back later and do the 6th one. But and that one that's alive right there is gonna go in one of the buckets.
Digging up the plants, and we're gonna lay new ones down. So on the ones that's still alive, we'll try to dig around them real good and keep them alive. But then we had the 2 dead ones, we just pretty much pulled them up. These we'll try to keep a bunch of the roots on it. Yeah, got a good amount of roots out of that. Pretty good.
And now, a brand new segment here at Lawnworks, Learning with Luke.
Plant on plant, 1-on-1. Dig a hole. Place plant in hole. And you're done.
All right, got one bed down. Luke's got all the plants planted. I gotta do one more bed and then it's time for mulch. All right, the edging is down. We made that one like kitty shape. And this one's down, and Luke's already got the back mulched, and he's going to start mulching this front, and I'm going to trim up all the dead out of the liriope in the front beds and in the back. So we're almost done. Then what time is it, Lukey?
Well,
what time is it though after we
time.
All right, so me and Luke's back from lunch, and we're here at the second job. What I didn't tell you was that the second job was right beside our first job, so that may be cheating, but there's the first job, you see. And then the second job is all of these trees, that sign, and then all of the trees and stuff that border the driveway on the way up to this subdivision. So when we get started. All right, me and Luke finished all the trees up at the upper portion of the property. And now we've got to do this bit and then all the trees that border the driveway. And then we're done with job number 2. Unfortunately, we're almost out of mulch, so we may not get all 3 done. All right, me and Luke's got 2 of the 3 jobs done, but we are out of mulch. So we can either go get mulch now and then come all the way back out to town and finish the job, or I can come back tomorrow. So I don't know what we're doing yet. All right, take that back. I do know what we're going to do. Luke, the guy called Luke, says he's got all of the guys' work shirts and hoodies ready, so we're gonna pick those up, and then we'll figure out what to do about the 3rd job. So obviously me and Lukey failed our 3 landscaping challenge in a day, which is okay because I'm the one who set the challenge. So today me and Sam decided we're going to switch gears a little bit. We're going to wait and finish that last job that we was going to do yesterday on Monday. And today me and Sam are going to mow and check out the new hoodies. And we got t-shirts just like them. All right, see you guys in a minute. All right, so we're switching gears again because me and Sam damaged one of the spindles while we were changing blades earlier. So one mower only has 2 blades, so it's down for right now. So we have one mower, and there's a yard. This lady contacted me. It's not one of our regular customers. She said she's got a summons from the city that she needs her yard cut. So it's winter not now. It's kind of down, but it is thick in there. So we're gonna get it cleaned up for her, get it mowed, and then we're gonna get a new spindle to get the mower fixed and hopefully get some more mowing done. So. All right, so final thing to do, Sam's got everything mowed, gone over twice. I've got to weed eat all of this inside this fence because our mowers won't fit in there. So I'm gonna get that done and then we'll be finished. Oh, we're done. That lot wasn't fun to weed eat because there was dog poop everywhere, but we got her done. Sammy's clean as a whistle. I am not. All right, me and Sammy just got them eating lunch. We got one more job to do with you guys, and then we're calling it a day. All right, so me and Sammy's at the job site. We got several trees to trim, several bushes to trim, and then a ditch line at the top of this hill up here that keeps water from running down in his yard. We gotta get it cleared out. It's a little bit bigger than I thought it was. I thought it was a little bit smaller. Sorry, Sammy. Sam, I'm going to climb up in this tree and get these big ones, but I need you to start that for me. All right, so we got all the trees trimmed. And Sammy got all the forsythia bushes trimmed up, cut to the ground. He actually wants those gotten rid of. And then behind us is the ditch line Sam's been working on. He's got all this cut, and we've got a little bit of like undergrowth and stuff to clean up out of the ditch line. That way water doesn't overflow and into his yard. And this area is really bad for being sopped and wet, muddy all the time. So they've dug this ditch in the back to keep it from reaching his flat yard, I guess. So we're gonna get that cleaned up and then I guess we'll be done. So here's the ditch we have to clean out. It kind of goes all the way to the edge of this property, out that way. There's a lot of stuff needs trimmed, chainsawed, and we'll throw the stuff up into the woods. Here, I'm gonna just cut these off so you can pull it up through there. That tree you grabbed, Sam, was dead. I looked up and it was swaying over top of my head. Ditch line is clean. The only thing left for us to do is to clean up all the clippings from the trees we trimmed, and then we're finished up. So we'll get everything cleaned up and then we'll see y'all in a minute. All right, me and Sam are done. We just dumped out all the brush that we just cleaned up. and everything cut down, cleaned up. I think Sam's mad at me because I promised him that we'd be laying some beautiful stripes in yards, and instead we mowed an overgrown lot that was muddy and terrible, and then did a cleanup job.
I quit.
But that's the way it goes. What started out as us having a 3 landscape challenge in one day turned into us not getting it completed, to now us just doing random tasks that we've been hired to do and just needed to get done. So we brought you guys along. So we appreciate you guys watching, and stay tuned for next week's episode, and we'll see you guys later.